Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute and funny bunny for Easter. This is a home decor that you can put on your table, and it's quite nice because it stands up. It's quite easy to make, and you can create in many different colors. Okay, let's get started to create this super cute bunny. Okay, we will need a piece of white paper or gray or the color you prefer, and I created a template that I will put on my blog, and I will leave the link below this video. We will need our template, and we will cut around our template in this way. You have only to put your template on the paper and cut around the borders. Okay, we are at the end. Voila, here our cute bunny. Okay, now we will need to cut this part, back part, our stand. Okay, we will need to use the body of, we will cut around in this way. Okay, and then the same on this part. We don't cut the head of the bunny, only the body. Okay, and now voila, here our stand that we will glue on the back. Now, in order for our bunny to stand up, we will need to fold this part. Okay, and this part, we will glue this part to the back of our bunny. Okay, with some glue we will, okay, press down. Voila, you will have this and this. Okay, voila. Now we will need to create our hand and I cut two paper circle. I will put the circle and the peach already on my template, so you will have all the pieces to cut and to glue together. Okay, now we will need to create this little fold here. Okay, and we will glue this part on the back. The same, fold this little part, and then with our white glue we will put some glue inside, and then we will glue in this way this. Voila. Okay, the same for the other hand. Okay, and okay, leave it to dry. Voila. Now you will have to cut the 2 feet and you will find the template of this feet and the sheet that I will provide. Okay, we will need, after cutting the feet, we will need to create this part using a pink pen, sorry. Okay. Okay. Now we will need only to glue this to our bunny, but before we will create this part using our pink pen, and we created this part of the ears. Voila. Here the inside of our ears. Okay. Now we can glue the 2 feet. Okay. In this way. And the same for the other one. Press down. Voila. It's quite nice. Okay, now we will need to glue the eyes and the nose. For the eyes, I use this little paper punch, circle punch, and for the nose I used a heart paper punch. But if you want, if you don't have a heart paper punch or the circle one, you can create the nose and the eyes with a pen, color pen. With the black pen you can create the eyes. You can draw them on your bunny, and the same for the nose. Okay, we have quite finished. Voila. Okay, if you want you can glue a paper flower to your bunny. I will glue my paper flower in this place. Okay, and now you will need only to create okay, we will need to create sorry, okay, our Easter egg. I will provide the template also for this egg. If you want, you can create an egg in a unique color like this one in red, or you can create a white egg or in another color, and then with some color pens you can draw some lines, dots, as you prefer. And here your finished bunny with the paper egg. Okay, you will need only to find the right place for the egg to stand. No, he doesn't want the egg in this time. Voila, here, and okay, the same, and this other bunny. Okay, and if you want, you can with the you can do in this way, fold. Voila! I think they are quite nice and so funny. They are a funny home decor that you can put on your table. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos. See you next time, and I will provide a link below this video with the template. Bye bye!